Hello guys. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 laptop docking stations. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. DS-RICA 23 DS2. Build your ideal workstation by connecting all devices to the 23 DS2. Full 5.1 audio channel support is provided to the connected HDMI display. Connect to the network with a high-performance gigabit network port. Compatibility Windows and Mac 10.9 to 10.13.3 compatible. Vertical space-saving design connects all workstation peripherals using. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Unitech Dual Display. Instantly provides super speed USB 3.0 link from PC to dual video. Supports simultaneously using HDMI and VGA displays. Supports a maximum 1080p resolution and 5.1 channel sound. Extended desktop mode, mirrored desktop mode and primary mode. Expand your networking capabilities with the built-in 1000 Mbps. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Sabrent Universal. Important information about Mac OS 10.13.4 update. Supports simultaneous HDMI and DVI displays, speaker port, microphone jack. Featuring 2 USB 3.0 plus 2 USB 2.0 ports, you can enjoy transfer speeds. 10, 100, 1000 gigabit Ethernet port for incredible internet speeds. With 2 2.4A fast charging ports, you can charge any of your devices. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Anker AK68 and docks. Supports simultaneous HDMI and DVI displays, allowing you to expand. Not only does this docking station consolidate your devices, automatic bandwidth prioritization of connected devices ensures smooth. 2 USB 3.0 ports, one of which can charge at 5 volt, 1.5 amp, give you access. Anker USB 3.0 docking station, detachable base stand. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Pluggable docking station. Provides super speed USB 3.0, 5 Gbps, link from PC to dual video. HDMI port supports resolutions up to 2560 by 1440 with a single HDMI display. UD3900 docking station is compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, and Legacy XP systems. 2560 by 1440 output only available when using a single HDMI display. We love our pluggable products, and hope you will too. Please check the description for details and best price.